Hi, neighbor. Today we're all going to be classroom helpers. You can help too.
Today I'm the plant waterer. Want to help? Thanks, Toots. Wouldn't it be fun if we did our job backwards?
What job would you like to help with now?
Today, I'm cleaning the art table. Let's make it sparkly clean. Meow meow, thank you, neighbor. We're all done.
What job would you like to help? I like to help take care of Snowball, our classroom bunny. Will you be a helper too? Terrific! Thanks for helping me. What job would you like to help with now?
Woohoo! Let's put the things away so we have room to play. Nifty-galifty! We're finished! Thanks, neighbor.
What job would you like to help with now?
Will you help me put our lunch boxes and backpacks away? I really like being a classroom helper. It's fun helping with you. Boopsie boopsie boo. done. A royal thank you to you.
What job would you like to help with now? What job would you like to help with now?